I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today, Ann is driving. Hit it. What's this called?
There is no recipe. It is simply portobello mushrooms, barbecue sauce, and a bun. Sounds easy. And
Sounds
they
amazing.
want me to type this up as a recipe. Well, I refuse. That's what I do. I do refuse. But portobello, I wanted to say that we have had a lot of good things in our life. But this, right now, is our favorite thing to eat.
Yeah,
It is our favorite thing to eat.
I can't wait to eat it.
It is so messy that you would never serve it with guests, but it is awesome.
Oh, that would be the best thing, to serve guests really messy food and see how they respond.
So, Jane, you can copy what I do on one. I will choose one, and you can choose one. And this is a nice portobello. I'd like to get them not too big so that it doesn't overflow the bun. And
Do you like having it curled?
Jane, well, this is it. Let's start with the side down. And I'm going to put...
What do you mean side down? The cap?
Oh, wait, sorry. The key thing, this is the thing I've learned. Jane, you get one and I'll take one.
Okay. What have we learned?
I've learned that when you put a portobello mushroom in a bun and you take a bite, you get the whole darn mushroom. So I have started to make little cross marks. Now the scary thing is...
Are you going very deep?
No, if you go deep, then you get it into pieces. So you want to try and keep it whole. See what I'm doing?
Yeah.
And then you go
I have never learned this trick from you, Mommy.
This is such a cool thing. And
oh, you do like a tennis racket.
you make it like a tennis racket. And sometimes what I do is I prepare it ahead of time. And then what I do is I put about a teaspoon of barbecue sauce on the top and rub it all around. And then I turn it over. Now, Jane says she likes the nub. Well, you want to do it right on here. I like to cut this off, and then I put it separately right here.
So you can have a little taste?
So I can eat it.
Oh, I just dribbled. Is that enough? Is that too much?
Yeah. Get it all along the sides, too.
Oh, so the whole thing.
It's the whole thing if possible.
Here, all these luscious
And
drops.
then-
I'm trying to include them.
I'm putting mine on the inside and rubbing it all around on the inside. Now you can choose any barbecue sauce you choose.
Ah, mine just broke a little bit. Is that all right?
Yeah, that was just bad cutting, but it happens all the time. It doesn't matter. But I
Beginner's
found
luck,
that is my only recipe, is to crisscross tennis racket.
That's a great hack or strategy or move.
Jane, I just need to have this off.
Why?
Because it makes it nicer fit in the bun.
Okay. And then just fill it up?
Fill it up.
Alrighty.
See, she crisscrossed too much.
Too deeply. Here, look. Do you see my wound? Boom. That'll be a great thing to
So-
taste. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna make sure I get some barbecue on that.
Little barbecue here on this bun, a little
Limb? Dimple? What do you want to call it?
thing. So then we bake it at any degree you choose until it looks done.
Wait, is this enough barbecue sauce?
Oh, that's plenty.
So it's like a tablespoon maybe tops.
You're cooking it like this with the bun, the gills up, so that it kind of maintains the juice in there.
And look what Ann did this morning for your viewing pleasure, is she baked these ahead of time. I'm going to pretend that's mine and that's yours.
Well, look at...
Should I have the broken one? No,
they all got a little broken. But here they are. And Jane, do you have buns?
Yes, I am working on buns. I actually, can I have mine without a bun? I want to taste the... Well...
So here is the bun. Now, we need to put on some hummus.
On the bun.
On the bun. Both sides of the bun get hummus.
Do you prefer?
And if you choose, there we go. Where does the barbecue sauce go?
Oh,
Right there.
here it is. Sorry.
You could, if you choose, just take a dab, I mean literally a dab, and put it across one, just like that.
Barbecue hummus. That would be a great new flavor of hummus.
And then I always like to put as many other things around here as I've got. So I'm putting some green onions. You don't have to. I love to always put red cabbage in everything. So into this, I'm just going to cut a little bit. Just a little shave. Just shave a little. Ha! So wonderful to get all this in when you don't even know that you're getting it in.
Great for the microbiome, that is. Indeed. Now, is this the top or is this weight? Or is my, or
I'm making one
okay.
right now. And then I am going to put a lot of these broccoli sprouts that I make those.
She grows them.
Where's the, here. A nice thick slice of tomato.
Want some guacamole?
And then I am
Here's a spatula.
putting on,
Tovolo.
see, the problem is we went a little too far on that. And then on the top,
This is mouth-watering good.
arugula. Ha! And then you smash.
Oh,
and
wow.
this is so amazingly good.
It is. It is.
And it's our favorite new meal. One other thing I forgot
What's that?
is a thin slice of red onion is really nice in here.
Oh, yum.
And the coolest thing, look, Jane, right here we get to eat these little pieces. It's so good.
Okay, well, I'm going to try to do, I want to do, I like open face burgers. And can I try to do mine open face?
Yeah.
All right, do you want to cut that in half? Let's have you and Wade try that. Where's our big knife? Here you go. Oh, yeah, really? Okay, you go. We got our big sharp one. So
I don't like cutting this in half because I tell you, usually what happens, and it didn't happen here so much because we'd cook them ahead. There's a lot of juice in here, and the juice is in here. So it juices, you know, sometimes up your arm. Well, it could.
All right, let's try that. Did you guys try that? I'm busy building mine.
I know, Wade,
Did you put guacamole
here's
on it?
you could put guacamole on it, but I mean, I wouldn't. Because this, you got to get just the taste of the mushroom and the, I don't know.
All right, I put
This
a
is
little. I
good.
didn't put a lot.
All right.
Here, give it. Have you tried
Wait.
that? I'm gonna try. What else do I need? I
Ready
needed
for
some.
the juices.
Well, it's not as juicy as usual.
Sprouts, tomato, and can I turn mine over so maybe it'll.
That's great.
Is it great?
Yeah.
All right. And cheers. Oh my gosh, I had that little piece. Yummy.
But normally,
Okay.
when you eat the whole portobello in your thing, it's hard to get little pieces out. So by doing that tennis racket over the top, it helps.
That's so clever. And it's so good. I love barbecue sauce.
You know what else is good? It's hard to find buns. I like the Dave's. I think they're sprouted
Dave's Killer.
Anyway, they're good.
I like a little more barbecue sauce. I would add a little more to mine.
Oh.
And baking it because
That's why I put a
I
little
think because
barbecue
it mimics
sauce.
ketchup in its sweetness and stuff.
Yeah, no, it's the barbecue sauce that is the taste in here, not ketchup and mustard.
All right, let us know what you put on your portobello burger. But we refuse to read your recipe. Just not kidding. We want to see a recipe or what you've added to yours.
And the problem with this one right here is it's not warm. It's nice when the little portobello is warm.
Well, that was out of your kindness and thoughtfulness to make it ahead of time for everybody. All right, cheers. Let us
Wait,
know.
wait.
Let us know. All right, bye.